Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. What is the recommended A3 instant dry sublimation paper for the EPSON printers? The EPSON series of printers are popularly known as the best sublimation printers for beginners. But what is the best sublimation paper for EPSON? We recommend our instant dry sublimation paper. SPIDRC A410A3 and size A3-A4 is available. The weight of this paper is 100 GSM. We are sure that you will be satisfied with its super flat and stable performance. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.